Hey everyone, and you are watching A-ZEE. Nice to see you and I hope you are happy and good in health. Today I want to share a challenging experience I had with my relative's solar energy system. Unfortunately, there was an unexpected event, an explosion that impacted the system. A thorough investigation was conducted to determine the cause of the explosion. Factors such as electrical issues, manufacturing defects, or external factors were considered to understand why this unfortunate event happened. After the explosion occurred, a comprehensive investigation was initiated to determine the underlying cause of the incident. This investigation involved a collaborative effort between various experts, including solar energy professionals, electrical engineers, and safety inspectors. The objective was to uncover the factors that contributed to the explosion and to develop strategies to mitigate the risks going forward. One of the first steps in the investigation was to thoroughly examine the electrical components of the solar energy system. This involved inspecting the wiring, connections, inverters, and any other electrical elements to identify any signs of malfunction or abnormal behavior. This examination aimed to determine if an electrical fault was the primary cause of the explosion. Another aspect of the investigation was to analyze the manufacturing and quality of the components used in the solar energy system. This included examining the solar panels, inverters, and any other hardware to identify if there were any defects or substandard components that might have contributed to the incident. The investigation also considered external factors that could have influenced the explosion. This included assessing environmental conditions such as extreme weather, temperature fluctuations, or even external damage caused by events like lightning strikes. Unfortunately, during the inspection that followed the explosion, it was revealed that the installer had incorporated old and outdated batteries into the system. These batteries had exceeded their usable lifespan, making them vulnerable to malfunction and potential hazards. The use of old batteries compromised the overall integrity of the system. The degradation of these batteries resulted in an explosion that caused damage not only to the batteries themselves but also to other components of the system. During the investigation into the explosion that occurred within my solar energy system, a thorough examination of environmental and external factors was conducted. This step was crucial in understanding how external conditions may have contributed to the incident. Weather plays a significant role in the operation of solar energy systems. Extreme weather conditions such as high temperatures, humidity, or even lightning strikes can impact the functionality of various components. It was essential to analyze whether adverse weather conditions might have played a role in the explosion. Temperature fluctuations can impact battery performance and overall system operation. Extreme temperature variations could potentially lead to stress on components and impact their longevity. Evaluating whether temperature fluctuations were a contributing factor was a key aspect of the investigation.